Can you come here, please? Ricky just sent me her car. It's already done. It's only been 3 days. 3 days. Let's see what she thinks. Are you ready?
No. Oh my god. So
How are these? Wow. Wow. How like that?
We're gonna go pick up the 34 right now, dude. Leah's coming to give me a new shirt because my shirt has white stuff on it, apparently. I got a muscle car. Got muscles. Alright, I'm driving the race car. The race van. We're driving Coda's house.
So sketchy.
Dude, this is bad. Ricky's Instagram, we're gonna tag it right here. You guys see how good of work he does, so hit him up if you guys need paint. Yeah. Dude, it doesn't look like you need more business though, huh? You're freaking. There's a lot. We have the cars back there and everything, so.
Yeah, you got the backyard full of cars, right?
Thanks again, Ricky. Too hot for this. Coming back. Try and make it home. Are you excited?
Yeah, I haven't seen it in person.
Is that Mama?
Yeah, it's Mama's car. Are you happy to have it home?
Yes. It's so nice. The color.
Yeah.
It's exactly what I wanted. That's too good.
Let's go put the wheels on. It's finally time to give her wheels back. We'll get some new ones soon. are the worst wheels to wash.
No, like no one can work on my car but me, for sure.
I'm just gonna hang out here.
Can't touch Leah's car.
got it, babe. There
Oh
you
my
go.
gosh.
Good job, girl. I was gonna clean these wheels, but
Oh, you should.
ain't nobody got time for this. I know who has time. My clone. I'll do it. Don't freaking do it. Oh, what's up, man? Yeah, I got you. Other Josh is taking care of his kids.
Okay.
I can't take it out.
You just gotta do it like this, baby. Just like that. There you go. ちょっと待って.
Wait, you're gonna wash it?
Rate her, guys. 1 to 10. Rate her 1 to 10. How good she's doing. Haha!
Oh.
They thought I was gonna say rate her.
Got him.
Good. Look at you. Oh wait, Corvette episode's on. How do you have a cooler car than you? I think you have to love your girl a lot to give her a cooler car than yours. Right? I must
Is that
love
your
you.
logic?
I must love you a lot. Who buys their girl R34?
Simp.
There's nothing wrong with being a simp, man. You having fun?
I feel like I'm gonna lick the car.
Alright, Jordan, just go edit. It's gonna take a while.